Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Azure account settings, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset your Azure account settings, begin by signing in to the Azure portal. Visit the Azure portal at portal.azure.com. Use your account credentials to log in. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Management section. Click on your profile icon located at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. In the Account Settings menu, locate the Reset Settings option. Click on Reset Settings to proceed. You will see a warning message regarding the reset process. Read the information carefully to understand the implications of resetting your account settings. If you are ready to continue, confirm your choice by clicking the Reset button. The portal will initiate the reset process. This may take a few moments, during which you will see a loading animation. Once the reset is complete, a confirmation message will appear. Review the message for any important details regarding changes made. After confirming the reset, you may need to log out and log back in. This will ensure that all changes take effect properly. Finally, navigate through your account settings to verify that everything has been reset to your preferences. You have now successfully reset your Azure account settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.